That's my question even to you this morning. Has things changed since you got saved? Or is it still the same? Then I have to question, has there been a real change in your spirit? Have you been born again? Or are you still got the same habits, got the same way of speaking, the same way of acting, all of these things? Because I believe when you are born again from the Spirit, man, you begin to change on the outside. Your actions change, your words change, the things you watch change, the things you share with other people change. You don't gossip anymore. Tell the person next to you, amen. You don't break other people down anymore. You're not jealous of other people anymore. Amen. You see, in the church, often those are the little things, the foxes that spoil the vine. The little things that break down when people speak behind each other's backs. And these are the things we need to take authority over when the enemy comes in.